In this video, we will learn how to find the prime numbers in Python. Let's get started. First of all, we will see what is prime number. A number which has only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Meaning that ऐसा नंबर जो सिर्फ एक से और अपने आप से ही डिवाइड हो सकता है तो वो नंबर प्राइम नंबर है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2, 3, 5, 7 एंड सो ऑन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल स्टार्ट विद द कंडीशनल स्टेटमेंट. मैं डिफाइन करता हूँ नंबर और यूज करूंगा इफ कंडीशन टू डिफाइन इफ वी गेट any number less than 2 then it is not prime. Now I use for loop along with the range function to get the number within a range and find out the factors. Starting from 2 until the number of num. If the num is totally divisible by the number taking from the for loop and returns 0, then number is not the prime number. And use the break keyword to stop the command once we get the fact, because we don't need to check with all numbers. We just only need one factor and it is proof that the original number is not the primary. So let's understand first. सबसे पहले नंबर डिफाइन किया और फिर कंडीशन दिया कि अगर 2 से छोटा नंबर हुआ तो वो प्राइम नंबर नहीं होगा. एल्स में यूज किया फॉर लूप अलोंग विद द रेंज ऑफ फंक्शन, जहां पे नंबर प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा विद इन अ रेंज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 2 and will go till number of num minus 1 because range function does not include last digit. In this if condition, the original number will be checked by number coming from the for loop. If the original number is divisible by the number coming from the for loop or not. If it is divisible, then the number is not the prime number. And command comes to the break keyword. Means that we get the factor and we don't need to check further with all numbers. If any number is not divisor of the original number, then if condition is false and for loop will come down to the else condition. We prove that the number is the prime number. Meaning that कि हर नंबर जो इस वेरिएबल नंबर में स्टोर हो रहा है रेंज फंक्शन से, वो एक एक करके ओरिजिनल नंबर को डिवाइड करके चेक करेगा. अगर हमारा ओरिजिनल नंबर प्रॉपरली डिवाइड हो जाता है तो हमारा ओरिजिनल नंबर प्राइम नंबर नहीं. एंड कमांड विल कम टू द ब्रेक कीवर्ड, जहाँ पे कि हमारा कमांड स्टॉप हो जाएगा क्योंकि हमें ओरिजिनल नंबर का फैक्टर मिल जाएगा. और जैसे ही हमें एक फैक्टर भी ओरिजिनल नंबर का मिल जाता है तो हमारा नंबर प्राइम नंबर नहीं होगा. And if we don't get any factor of the original number, then finally loop will come over to the else statement and print the number is prime. So let's check now. Now let's move ahead and perform the same action using the flag variable. So flag variable is the variable where we store the boolean value and then find out that the given number is prime number or not. So the code was almost same, therefore I copy the code except to make just few changes. So here instead of print function we will define the flag variable. Number is less than 2, then the number is not prime. Also same, if we get the factor the number is not prime number. Now I will use if condition along with the flag variable and print the message. तो यहाँ पे सबसे पहले डिफाइन किया नंबर, उसके बाद फ्लैग वेरिएबल यूज किया है और यहाँ स्टोर किया है बुलियन वैल्यू. तो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस फ्लैग वेरिएबल the number will be checked and finalize whether the number is prime number or not. So if the number is less than 2 then it is not prime number, else each number within the range function will divide the original number, that is right now 13, and check if we get any factor of the number, then the number is not prime number and the command will be stopped because we do not need to check further. Once we get the factor, it is proof that the number is not the prime number. And for loop will be terminated and come to the conditional statement, and on the basis of the value stored in the flag variable, the message will be printed off. Now let's move ahead and we will use while loop along with the flag variable. So code is almost same. All we just need to define here while loop. So I copy the code from above and paste it here down, and we'll make just few changes. डिफाइन करूंगा आई जिसकी स्टार्टिंग वैल्यू 2 है, क्योंकि हमें पता है कि 2 इज द स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम नंबर, सो वी नीड टू स्टार्ट द काउंटिंग ऑफ फाइंडिंग द फैक्टर इज फ्रॉम 2. यूज करूंगा व्हाइल लूप जहां पे आई की वैल्यू लेस देन नम होगी तो कंडीशन ट्रू होगा और लूप रन होता रहेगा, और हर लूप में आई की वैल्यू इंक्रीमेंट होगी बाय 1. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड कोड. सबसे पहले डिफाइन किया नंबर, स्टोर किया boolean value inside the flag variable, and define I that initialize from 2, because we know we need to check it from the 2 since the smallest prime number is 2. Now this loop will run until the I value is less than the original value, that is right now 90. Again, now here factor will be finding out if we get any factor of the original number, then the number is not the prime number and command will be stopped. If we don't get, then command will come to the I where the value of I will be incremented by 1 in each loop. तो सबसे पहले यहाँ पे वैल्यू होगा I का 2 और ये कंटिन्यू करेगा 19, क्योंकि हमारी ओरिजिनल वैल्यू अभी राइट नाउ 19, और फिर हमारे ओरिजिनल वैल्यू 19 को डिवाइड किया जाएगा 1 by 1 from this number. If we get factor, then the number is not the prime number. We do not need to check factor with all numbers. Once we get one factor, it is proof that the number is not the prime number, and further then will not be checked anymore. Now finally, when the while loop is done with checking with these numbers, the command will come over to the if condition and will be printed message based on the value stored in the flag value. Now let's move ahead and find this same action using the def function. The code is almost same. First I define the function with the name of flag variable and pass the parameter that will take the integer as an input, and I copy the code from the above. So here I need to make just few changes. Instead of the flag variable, I will return the number is false. Now pass the value to the parameter and call the function along with the conditional statement. सबसे पहले डिफाइन किया फंक्शन नेम along with the parameter, and parameter num that will take the integer as an input. कंडीशन दिया कि अगर 2 से कम है नंबर तो वो प्राइम नंबर नहीं होगा. As we use the for loop along with the range function, जहाँ पे कि ओरिजिनल नंबर को डिवाइड किया जाएगा 1 by 1 with the number coming from within the range. If we get any factor, then the number is not prime number, else value stored in the num variable, that is 17 right now, will be printing on whether the number is prime number or the number is not the prime. Thank you so much for watching this video. This video ends here. Have a great day.